cosmology, and culture, hit subscribe and make sure to hit the bell icon. And if you're interested in helping keeping this channel alive and going, you can join our growing community at patreon.com/themedicineshell. As a thank you to my patrons have access to an in-house Debia, the digital 13-moon Odinani calendar that our ancestors used, with its 4-day week, 13 moons or months, and different rites and rituals throughout the year, as well as my digital library, which has close to 400 documents, ebooks, articles, journals, and other insights and studies, which I use for my own research. All of this is available at patreon.com/themedicineshell. And for those who are interested in learning how to pray the way our ancestors did, and specifically in the Igbo language, I've published a very short, easy to follow step-by-step booklet on how to perform Igofo. Igofo is important in family protection, spiritual cleansing, serving and receiving justice and success. And I understand that everybody doesn't speak Igbo, so I've included a pronunciation guide as well as translations from English to Igbo for every phrase. This is available at patreon.com/themedicineshell at all tiers. So to understand how the forces of the universe interact with each other and humanity, and how this relates to Aja or blood sacrifice, you must understand the universe as a universe of equals. In the beginning of the universe we occupy today, Chukwu aimed to put the universe back together from the great explosion. In this explosion, the universe, who is his wife, or feminine half known as Eke, shattered in an explosion that sent her parts and essence spreading in all directions, creating time and space, or Uwa, the universal plane. To bring her pieces back together, Chukwu employed the help of Udide, the cosmic spider. Udide, or Ududo Okanka, is the galactic spider force that perpetually weaves a cloth over the body of the deceased wife of Chukwu, who is the universe herself. In weaving this cloth, Udide expands the body of the galactic mother in her shape, which is the spiral. The cloth is known as Ogodo Ne Chukwu, the fabric of Ne Chukwu. The strings of this cloth themselves are another manifestation of Eke, who is known as Uwa, Ne Chukwu, or Kamosu. These strings are known as Ete. Ete not only gives the universe shape by holding the universal body together, but also provides a system of streams, canals, pathways, and tubes for energies to move through. Ete on a universal level has both seen and unseen strings, some visible in the night sky through the arrangement of the stars, others unseen, but like the tubes of the universe which are physical, provide arteries that connect to different parts of creation. And on a person-to-person level, or the level of nature, there are strings that connect you to the things around you, and ultimately they all lead to Obi Chukwu, the source of creation, or the resting place of the divine father element, known as Chukwu. It is from the unseen strings that you receive much of what comes from Chukwu, such as Uche, or a wisdom beyond wisdom, Ikenga, your kinetic, spirit force, or force of movement, which activates as the higher self when you are walking the path that your chi paved for you, and Ndu, or life. These celestial tubes, known as Ete, also provide an uninterrupted path from your chi to you, and from you to the other forces of the universe.